Hi everyone, my name is Sunita, and in this video I'm going to guide you through how to use Fliki AI, an incredibly powerful tool that helps new creators and small YouTube channels create high-quality videos with ease. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your Fliki dashboard, create your very first project, personalize your script and add AI-powered voiceovers that help you get clicks and grow faster on YouTube. I highly recommend that you follow each step along with me so you can understand the workflow quickly and start creating your own videos confidently. To begin, click the link provided in the description. This will take you to the Fliki sign up page where you can create your free account. Once you're on the registration page, select Start for Free. You'll see different sign up options. You can choose to register using your email or choose Continue with Google. Here we will choose Continue with Google, then choose A account. We have to answer now few basic questions. What is your background? We will choose here Content Creator. Next is what do you want to create with Fliki? We will choose here YouTube. Then you will be led to the dashboard of Fliki. Before we dive into content creation, let's briefly look at Fliki's pricing plans. The platform provides a free plan, which gives you 5 minutes of video credits every month. If you want longer exports, no watermark, and access to more premium voices, styles, and stock footage, the paid plans start at just $28 per month. Now that we're inside the Fliki dashboard, let's start creating our first video. Fliki gives you multiple ways to generate videos. The Idea Prompt tool lets you describe your video in a sentence or two and the AI handles the rest. The Script option allows you to paste your text and turn it directly into a video. With Blog URL, you can insert a link and Fliki will convert the article into a video. The PPT upload turns your PowerPoint slides into video format. The Product option allows Amazon listings to be transformed into videos. Edit lets you upload your own footage, add subtitles, music, or voiceovers. Under Record, you can capture your screen or webcam. And Empty gives you a blank workspace to build a video completely from scratch. For now, I'll choose the Idea Prompt option. A pop-up will appear asking you to describe your video. For example, let's say, motivational video on life. After typing that in, adjust the duration slider to choose how long you want the video to be. Under Additional Resources, you can upload images, text, or clips, but I'll skip that for now. When asked for format, choose Landscape for YouTube, Portrait for TikTok or Reels, and Square for Instagram. Select your language and accent for the voiceover. I'm choosing English with a US accent. Then select the tone of your video and its purpose, followed by your target audience. Click Next. Keep clicking Next to move forward. Now the script is created, but I am not satisfied with it, so I will get the script from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Next. Now here you can choose the voiceover according to your liking. Choose and select the voiceover and then click Submit, and within seconds, Fliki will create your video along with the script, visuals, voiceover, captions, and music. Now the video is ready, let's see it.
Every day, you face a choice. The comfortable path leads nowhere new. The challenging one holds everything you've ever dreamed of. The biggest barrier isn't out there. It's the voice inside telling you to wait, to doubt, to settle. It's the fear holding you back. You have a fire within you. A unique strength, a vision only you can bring to life. Don't let anyone dim that light. This is your life. Your story. Stop waiting for permission or the perfect moment. Create it. Step forward, even if it's just one small step. Embrace the struggle, celebrate the wins, and never lose sight of why you started. Your future is calling. Answer it with courage.
Isn't that awesome? You can see now your title at the top, the list of scenes on the left, and the preview on the right. Here you can review your scenes. Think of each scene as a section of your script. You can drag scenes to rearrange them, duplicate them, or delete them. When you click a scene, you'll see its layers, voiceover, effects, shapes, images, and more. Add or remove layers using the controls available. To change the narrator's voice, click the voice option and choose a different one. If you want the new voice applied across the entire video, check the Apply to All box. It's a good idea to proofread your script for every scene and edit any lines you want to improve. When your video is ready, click the Download button, choose the resolution and format you want, and start the export. After processing, preview the final output. If you're using the free plan, you'll notice a small watermark, but this is removed on paid plans. Once you're satisfied, click Download MP4 to save your video. If this tutorial helped you understand how to use Fliki AI, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks so much for watching.